What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got some big news. If you guys didn't already know, your boy LeeBird got into Prospec this year, 2024 season. It's been planning for a long time because we got a license the previous year and we deferred a year, and we were keeping our fingers crossed, so hopefully we got in. Got a email last minute, like 4:30 in the morning, and a call from my dog Steve, and then boom, here we are. So we will be driving Prospec 2024 season. And we are going to be driving an E92. Unfortunately, the E92 finally just broke. So I've had an RB30 in the car, the last two cars, the 13 and this car, the same engine that got me my license finally broke. Sad. Sean Booth took me out. Not his fault though. So the crankshaft actually kind of broke. We'll put a clip in here to show you guys. The crank broke at the flywheel in the back. So yeah, we in Prospec, but the car's broken. So now we got to do a whole new plan. So that brings us to the main reason for this video, besides telling you guys that we got into Prospec. We have a new chassis, which we're gonna start building it, and it's an E92. Shout out to my dog Dorte from Drift HQ, guys. He had another shell over there, and we made a deal, and we got another car. So now we actually have 3 chassis, but this one's more complete as far as it has a rack, it has all the subframes, it rolls, so it makes it a little bit easier to start another build for the FD season. Now, that in mind, we only got like maybe a month and a half, so we can kind of like just, you know, get a car together and test. Which obviously isn't hard for me because the first BMW is pretty easy. So we're gonna start by taking the car inside. We're gonna strip it down and get it ready for cage, and as much other prep work we can do before we get to cage, because today is like what today is? The 8th? The day after my birthday. So today's the 8th, and it goes to cage on the 25th. So we're gonna see how much we can squeeze in and get done before the car goes there, so when it comes back it'll be time to just pretty much assemble it and get it going. Alright, so on the lift, we're gonna pull apart as much as we can, analyze, make a list of what we need, and start the build. Why Nick just keep dropping wrenches in the background and stuff, but you know, normal stuff. So it's pretty much stripped. They got these huge spaces on there, well, I don't know why. And I got all these new arms that we can't use and coilovers, but everything might be for sale. So look out for the Facebook marketplaces. Posters. I don't see anything very intriguing besides it's a shell. Why am I gonna run an E92? I know some of you guys probably asking. I like the way the car looks. It's a newer car. I'm not 240 is kind of played out right now in FD, so BMW's kind of the hype. You know what I'm saying? So big BMW guy over here, but The car actually drives really good. A lot of parts are available and easy to get, like racks and subframes and, you know, all that good stuff. So I don't know. I don't know what I need to tell you guys, but I'm gonna be driving the E92 and Prospec. And I got 3 of them, so we can crash it when we have to. Shut up, Nick. We gonna crash it anyways. I got a pair of 19s, man, you know what I'm saying? Need them 3-piece Johnnies if y'all need them, man. I got a pair. Anybody want to drift Hot Boy status, you know what I'm saying? Wheel bearing ain't good, but the rest is good. Yeah, that's all I gotta say about that. Let the stripping begin. Even though it's already stripped out. Oh shit. Damn. Forte, if you're missing it looked like a shaved bumper or like something. Let me know, bro. I got it. Next. Ooh. We got wheels and harnesses and stuff. Oh boy. Oh, look at this. They got everything all blocked out already. Hey, they gave me a brake pedal. Yeah. Oh. Dash for sale, guys. Oh. Steering wheel. Man, somebody definitely started caging this bit. I like the steering wheel. Gonna need the column. Because I think in our Prospec you gotta have stock steering column, so we definitely gonna need that. Hey man, can't throw these away, man. We gonna need these. Kidneys? We gonna need those. Look at that, we got free wrap. Oh, somebody's trying to wrap pearl white. I think it's savable. We could wrap something in this way. We got gas and, clutch and brake pedal. That's a plus. This right here alone, like $175. Even though I'm gonna put the metal pedal, right? I bought the metal pedal for the other one, Nick?
Yeah.
Yeah, these pedal break. I don't know why BMW do that, you know. All right, so we got the Prospec rulebook here, and we're just gonna kind of run through real quick and see obviously what we could modify and not modify, because the back seat floor pan in that car is already cut out, and the bolts for the stock steering cross member. So I'm probably gonna have to put something back there, because I think we're supposed to keep the stock steering brake. So we're gonna read through this real quick, try to figure it out, and then get back to chopping.
You know, he had his day yesterday.
That's what you need on the one-two punch.
Don't do it.
That's definitely what you need on the.
Does it say what size it is?
Damn.
That's gotta be 2 inches, no?
Gotta be.
2?
Yeah.
You gotta be.
That ain't 2 inches, bro. I got 2 inches for you to test out. 2 inches. That ain't 2 inches. More than 2 inches. What the?
It's 3.
Damn, they make a 3-inch spacer, bro.
Didn't even know. Didn't even know.
Georgia run.
Bro, that is a truck spacer, bro.
Alright, so we're gonna have to kind of go on a standstill with taking this apart or making a plan, because the rear seat floor pan is cut out, and where they cut out, it's cut a little bit too far, so it's like it's separating between the 2 body liners, and in the rule book wasn't really clear about if I can mess with the floor pan back there in Prospec. So I want to wait and find out from somebody else, or give FD people a call and see. So we're gonna kind of hold on. We'll throw the wheels back on this, and then hold off for a day or 2, see if we can figure it out. So I guess we'll move to something else, because this kind of sucks, but it's kind of good also, because I'm not in the mood anyways. All right, so when I built the first car, I had ordered all the stuff to have like a full wide body kit, and it didn't come in time, so that's why I ended up with a little extra fender flares on the red car. the red E92. But we do have, I forgot what brand this is, but it's the full front fenders, rear fenders, and we got a carbon roof that we'll be putting on the next E92. I don't know how wide it is, but it should be wide enough. I like this because like, it's a whole quarter now, so that means we can cut out all the metal and just leave enough just to bolt this on. And that should make the car lighter because the car is kind of heavy. All right, so this is the old faithful and reliable 30 that's been rocking out for like the last 3 years. It finally broke. Like I said, it's not really Sean's fault, but he was driving it when we was at the compound, and it started making a noise, rattling. We thought it was like either the trans coming apart or something. Turns out the crankshaft broke, like literally clean, broke in half. The car still started up and ran and moved around and got on the trailer and drove in the shop, which is actually crazy to me because I thought maybe just the flywheel bolts came loose and the clutch was wobbling, but it turned out to be the whole crankshaft. So we hurried up and pulled it out to find this, and then it also spun one of the main bearings because I guess when it broke there, it didn't have the counterweight, and, you know, the vibration revving it. Yeah, spun the bearing. But all the pistons and rods and everything should be good. The block is damaged. It was already bored 40 over, so it's kind of junk now. But we'll probably keep this as a souvenir. And we got something new coming. We did plan to build another 30, a fresh one for the season. This is just going to kind of force us now. So we are going to step it up a little bit. And we got a nice, fresh 3.2 liter that we're going to be putting in the car. So we're actually going to be putting that in something before that's going to come up in the next video to test it out before it goes in the new car. But yeah, let's go check it out. Cool. So we have this freshly built Nitto, all Nitto internals, 3.2 liter RB30 that was supposed to go in Steve's car, and me and Steve got to talking, and Steve agreed that I can go ahead and use this so we can get the car ready and start testing. This is actually built for like 12 to 1500 horsepower. We're not gonna try to make that much power. We're just gonna do the, you know, maybe 800 or something. But this is like a newer version of that. That had lower compression. This one has higher compression. It actually has the same pistons and rods besides the compression height on the piston. And it already has 12 millimeter head studs and everything. So we'll just be stepping it up. Also, I think we might be going to 26 head. So yeah, it's pretty much ready to go. Lucky me. Nah. I don't even know I can use that brace. No! Alright, so just in case if we can't use that blue car, which I was telling you guys about the cutout pan thing, we have one more E92 here that's been sitting for a while, and it was planned to use the chassis until that one came up because it has more parts. So just in case we can't use that chassis, we have this chassis here, which is more than well and capable. I'll just have more prep work to do, like remove the sound deadening, cut everything off the inside, and make it roll, because obviously it just looks like a scrap car, but it has potential.
All right, go.
All right, cool. So that'll bring us to the end of this video. It's a little bit short, but we wasn't really expecting that until we got to looking and talking and reading the rule books. So we'll end it a little short here on you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. We'll be getting ready to go to that T-Pain drift event over there in Atlanta. So we got some prepping to do. Deuces!